Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the activity or fragment where you will store settings. Create a shared preferences instance now. val_prefs equals get shared preferences, prefs, mode private. Once done, make sure to declare consistent keys as constants so you avoid typos. You'll also want an editor reference, val editor equals prefs. Edit. This lets you write values. First actionable step. Write a sample key like is first run boolean, and commit or apply the change to persist it. Now you implement saving and loading logic. Use editor. Put string, username, name, apply for non-blocking saves or commit if you need synchronous confirmation. When reading, call val name equals prefs. Get string, username, so you always have a default. Once done, make sure to centralize getters and setters in a small helper or repository because that avoids duplicated keys. If you use coroutines or background threads, prefer apply to keep the UI. Finish by integrating the prefs helper into your app flow. Call saves on user actions and loads during initialization. Make sure to migrate keys if you change formats and document defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: if values aren't persisting, verify you use the same preference name and proper context, activity versus application, because mismatched contexts create separate stores. Also check you used apply or commit after edits. Without that, nothing gets written, and you'll wonder why data disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.